Friends, today I am going to share one simple indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search one-sided Gaussian locks. Add one more indicator for more confirmation, that is hull suit. Now both the indicators are applied. The one-sided Gaussian indicator turns into green along with the hull suit indicator is in green. Below that it gives L signal by the call and hold it up to it gives you S signal. When the one-sided Gaussian indicator turns into red, along with that hull suit indicator is in red. Above that it gives S symbol, sell the call, and hold it up to it gives L symbol. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.